Hi kids! Today we're going on a super fun adventure to discover some important Islamic principles. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, we have the concept of kindness. In Islam, being kind to everyone is super important. Imagine you have a new friend who's feeling lonely. What would you do? Yes, you'd play with them and make them smile. That's kindness in action. Next, let's talk about honesty. Being honest means telling the truth, even when it's hard. Remember that time you accidentally broke your mom's vase? It's better to tell the truth and say I'm sorry than to hide it. Honesty makes us strong and trustworthy. Now, let's jump into respect. Respect means treating others the way you want to be treated. If someone's talking, we listen. If someone's playing with a toy, we wait our turn. Respect makes everyone feel valued and happy. Moving on, we have patience. Sometimes we have to wait our turn or wait for something exciting. It can be hard, but practicing patience makes us calm and helps us grow. Finally, let's talk about gratitude. Gratitude means being thankful for what we have. Can you think of something you're grateful for? Maybe it's your family, your friends, or even your favorite toy. Saying thank you makes our hearts full of joy. Wow, we learned so much today. Kindness, honesty, respect, patience, and gratitude. Remember to practice these principles every day, and you'll make the world a better place. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and learning. Bye for now.